here's what happened. The tool that I was using to create I have a typo. Hold on. Not a typo. Oh, that's disgusting. That is absolutely disgusting. Application. There we go. Fixed. Like nothing happened. All right. So I had a service that I was using where I would upload my video and it would create a bunch of shorts from my video. And it was cool, but I decided that I want to take a little bit more control over my shorts. And so I've been creating them myself. I found a really cool way to create the subtitles and the tool that I'm using to edit my videos, all that good stuff. One of the drawbacks of doing the shorts on myself, like by myself, is that the tool that I was using, it used to basically, like after it would take a long video, chop them up into a bunch of different shorts, add the subtitles, and then the part that I'm going to be missing now is the distribution of it, where it pushes it up to X, it pushes it up to Instagram, it pushes it up to TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. So I want to see if I can find a way to recreate that, because I don't need, like, that part I like, but I don't need all the other stuff, right? So I'm going to research through Gemini what we can do to replicate that, whether we need a desktop widget, which I would like to avoid using one for desktop, or whether we can build some type of web application, some web portal. I don't know. The good thing about doing it through the desktop is that it would be like the videos that I edit, they're right there on my computer. The shorts are right there on my computer. So I don't have to upload it to an additional spot, to a different additional website, then have it posted those APIs. So I might actually prefer a desktop widget. I don't know. So that will be what we're going to research to get the show started as our icebreaker. I'm going to go to Gemini and let's go over to here. And I'm going to say that I was using a tool that would take my videos and create shorts out of them, add subtitles, and give me the ability to schedule them to X, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. However, I wanted to take more control over the creation of my shorts. So I am now creating the shorts on my own and adding the subtitles myself. By the way, I found a really, really cool way to create the subtitles through DaVinci Resolve that doesn't really cost me anything. I bought a plugin that somebody created that plugs into DaVinci that is helping me create the shorts. There's a couple of different tools. I'll probably do a video about it at some point, about the different tools that I'm using with DaVinci Resolve that's helping me create my shorts, or creating my subtitles. It'll work on any type of video, right? But that's helping create my subtitles. And that way, the price that I was paying for the service that would cut up the long video into shorts, adding the thumbnails to it, it's like a one-time fee is the same price I was paying monthly. So and the fact that I want to have more control over the shorts, so adding shorts myself. The one part that I'm missing out on is the distribution / syndication to the other social media platforms. Let's say what options do we have to build a tool, whether web app or desktop app, that would allow us to push and schedule the short form content to those platforms mentioned. As you will see in our history, we have experience in C++ now. We have experience in Flutter, Node, Python, although I prefer not to use Python, and Java. Let's go with that. What would be a plan to make a quick and easy to use app? The app would need to take titles, descriptions, and I'm going to throw in something, schedule, a publish date, and I'm going to throw something in there that the other tool that I was using was not able to do. Let's say, and for YouTube in particular, to set the metadata for a video, such as the title, the playlist, the tags, everything else. I think that's about it. Let's go with that. And the tags. So that's what I would want this application to do. And hopefully if on Thursday, it just takes us one show, which we know it won't, but maybe 2 shows at the most, to create our Stream Deck plugin. Maybe afterwards we can actually start working on this app, if possible. I don't even know if it's possible. Let's find out. The good thing is that's a beauty of APIs, because X has an API, Facebook has an API, YouTube has an API. All these platforms have an API. And so that means they can work with any language, right? So that is what we are investigating here. All right, so based on your interest in Flutter, Python, and DevOps, Supabase, AWS, and your desire for a quick and easy tool, here is a blueprint for building a cross-platform syndication hub. Since you want control and simplicity, I recommend a hybrid architecture, a Flutter desktop app for the UI uploading management, okay, and a Python-based backend, serverless or local, to handle the complex API handshakes. Okay. The syndicator. We'll use Flutter for the front end because you can build a beautiful desktop app, Mac and Windows, quickly using vibe coding, lovable or cursor, or Kilo. Don't forget, don't count out Kilo. All right. We will use Python for the backend logic because it has the best libraries for these specific social APIs. Okay, fair enough. Front end, Flutter desktop, input video, file picker, title, description, tags, playlist dropdown, scheduler, date time picker, fair. Platform toggles, checkboxes for YouTube, TikTok, X, and Facebook, fair. Instagram, forgot Instagram, but that's fine. Logic, upload the video to storage, Supabase, and saves as a job entry in the database. Okay. Yes. We could probably also do a local servers. I don't know, because there's the same way that we have the same way for the OBS app, or the OBS plugin, we have the local server. I don't know, because like uploading a video to a place to upload it to another place seems a bit counterintuitive, but I don't know. But at the same time, if it does the publishing post schedule, so like when you schedule it, then it publishes, then that would make sense. If it uploads it to the platform immediately and then schedules what time it should go live, then that's a different story. So we have to investigate that. Storage, Supabase storage to hold the video until publish time. Okay. Database, Supabase Postgres, stores metadata, title, schedule, time, status, and whatever else. The engine, Python, a Python script running on an AWS ECS or simple VPS Raspberry Pi that pulls the database every minute, selects from jobs or scheduled time, status pending. I don't know if I like that really. The ECS wouldn't be, I don't know. Think about that. YCloud. If you build a purely local desktop app, your computer must be on at the scheduled time to post. Fair enough. We could probably run this on DigitalOcean as well, though. All right, your computer must be on for a small cloud worker ensures your videos go live even if you are sleeping or your PC is off. Fair enough. That's what I suspected. So that's fair. UI, so the tech stack, we'll need UI, Flutter, and Dart. You are learning it. It compiles the native Windows, Mac apps and handles file inputs better than web apps. Fair enough. Backend logic, Python. Essential for API interaction. Libraries like Google Auth and Tweepy are mature. Database, Auth, Supabase is easy. Backend as a service handles file storage and Auth so you don't leak API keys. Fair. Infrastructure, AWS ECS or DigitalOcean. I just mentioned DigitalOcean, right? To run Python worker script 24/7. Fair. All right, platform strategy and APIs. Here's the reality of the APIs you need to hit. Some are easy. Others, like TikTok, are hostile to developers. Fair enough. YouTube Shorts, easy. YouTube Data API, we already used like the YouTube API. We don't use it for uploading, but we do use it for my content creation assistant. Library, Google API, Python client, metadata. You can set title, description tags, privacy status. Scheduling, the API supports publishAt field. You can upload the video now and tell YouTube to release it later. Fair, like that. Limit. Unverified apps have a quota of 6 videos per day. Perfect for, I think I can manage 6 videos per day. But I can also get the app verified, so that's not a big deal. I have gotten stuff verified at Google before. All right, X, the medium one. Twitter API v2, library Tweepy. Process in it. Tell X you have a big file, okay? Append, upload chunks, finalize, processing, scheduling. The free basic API does not support native scheduling solution. Your Python worker holds the files and uploads it at the exact, uploads exactly when the schedule triggers. Okay. Let's see. I have to see what happens if I don't have the free basic API. What if I have a paid API? What's that like? Facebook Reels, the medium one, API, Facebook Graph API. You need a page access token with page show list and page manage post. Process upload the video, get the media ID, publish as a reel. And TikTok is the hard one. The official API often requires an audit for your app to post publicly. Without the audit, videos might be locked to private or friends only by default. The hacker workaround. Since you're building this app for yourself and have experience with Python Node, you might skip the official API and use Playwright or Selenium. I'm not going to do that. Concept, the script launches a headless browser, logs into TikTok and uploads the file via the web interface. It's brutal, but I am not going to do that. I'll be honest with you right now. I am not going to write a Selenium script to log into to TikTok. I'd rather just go without TikTok. All right. Now, the quick build plan. Since you like vibe coding, cursor lovable. Here's how to prompt your way to the prototype. Create step 1, Supabase. Create table post with columns, video URL, title, all that stuff. Create a storage bucket, Flutter UI. Create a Flutter desktop app with a file dropper area. When I drop the video, show a form for all these fields. Got that. All right, and then that's a script. That's a pretty basic script, right? Table, fetch jobs due to publishing. Fair. That's pretty fair. Looks pretty doable. I think we have our Christmas time project. Merry Christmas to me. All right, so I'll put that on the back burner for, maybe we'll get to it in like 2 weeks. Hopefully, if everything goes well with our Stream Deck plugin. But if not, the night is young. The night is young. All right.
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, bad breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn on creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. Man, I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Plus I'm feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind. So I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Hold the high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying at my knees, but hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side eyes, hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, they win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, pull the ace from the car. Keep the haters locked out, stand in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, wipe the crust the eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Word didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Mac and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do this for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planting the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method. Yeah, I'm swapping in, I'm copping. Only thinking is the records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked. I can let them see me lose. My drive is bigger, be a hate, be bigger than hate. Back, better work, 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 better work. Let's get it. Okay.